Hi everyone, Happy New Year. So I'm going to show you how to make a Gothic wreath to go on your door. I'm making this one because I wanted one like a Gothic wreath to go on my door for New Year's, and the ones I've got so far was Samhain and Yule. So I didn't really have one that's for this time of year or anything. Well, this one will just be up year round, apart from if I do one for a particular Sabbath. So I've got these roses. These are from the pound shop. Especially around Halloween, you'll find these in the pound shop. So when you find them, grab them as many as you can. That's what I've done, is I've just grabbed a few and I'm using those. And these do pop up now and again a bit more often. You can probably get them online as well. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the leaves, and see these wires that are around the wreath base. I'm tucking the end of the leaves just underneath the wire, like so. It is a bit tricky to do one-handed, so I'm just tucking it in like that. And then what I'm going to do, once I've done that, I'm going to go around and put a little blob of hot glue on the back of the leaf stem and just make sure they're secure to the wreath base. So I'm going to do that and come back and show you what's next. So now I've gone through the entire wreath, covered it with the leaves, and I've stuck the first two rose heads on. And unfortunately I've got a couple of purple ones which go really nice with these, but I've only got two, so I do need to try and get some more. But for now I'll just use the two, because the black and the purple looks really nice together. So if you can get the purple ones as well, go for that. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the rose head and I'm going to put them around the wreath base in sort of evenly spread out in a circle. If you can hear a funny noise, it's just my cat. And then what I'm doing is I've pulled the head off, and you've got this little stem sticking out. I'm going to put that stem through the wreath base in between like the sort of different strands of the wicker or whatever it is made out of, and then put plenty of hot glue on the base of the flower and then stick that in place. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, that's with the two roses, the two purple ones, and I've got these two purpley pink flowers for now, that I'm using as like placeholders, but when I can get some more purple roses I will probably change it. So as you can see, I've made a ring of roses as well as like the ring of leaves, and I think it looks like a nice pretty little wreath base. And yeah, I'm quite pleased with how this one came out. Obviously you can add more to it. You could have some black beads hanging from it. You could put a pentagram in the middle. You could have you can get little hair clips that look like like skeleton hands. You could put something like that on. I've done it like this because my cat's going to try and go for anything that's like beads or anything. So I'm going to leave it like this for now, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Blessed be. Bye for now.